Today we are back at Hickory Bluffs by LENNAR, an active adult 55+ community in Canton. And I am joined by Shelly and Tim. It's great to see you guys. And Tim, last time that we were here, you guys were very busy with construction. So what is the update?
Well, we're completing homes every day. So we have a lot of homes ready to move in today. You can come out. Yeah.
And what type of floor plans and homes can people expect here at Hickory Bluffs?
Well, we build ranch homes. Those are 1-level homes, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and some have lofts and another bedroom and bath. So 3-bedroom, 3 baths.
And Shelly, one of the biggest things obviously is location and amenities when people are thinking about a 55+ active adult community. So what can you tell us about that, the lifestyle here, both inside the community and around this area?
Yeah, I mean, we are very fortunate to be located right here in Canton. There's so much to do. Within a 5-10 minute drive, we have entertainment and restaurants, and the hospitals are close. So everything is right here. And then inside the community, our amenities are amazing. We have a huge clubhouse. It's going to have a fitness center, big pool, 0 entry. We have tennis courts, pickleball courts, and both sides of our street have sidewalks, so it's perfect for getting your walk in every day.
And Tim, I know that there was a big sales event going on with LENNAR, so are there still some incentives that people can take advantage of?
Yeah, we have this big event. We're kind of just diving into the Everything's Included program to introduce people to the fact that when you buy one of our homes, included in the price is pretty much everything. What you see is what you get. Our homes are around $450,000 to $500,000, and we're running some great incentives.
And Shelly, if people want to find out more, what's the best way to do that?
The best way to do that is to go ahead and give us a call at 470-373-1617 or visit us on our website at lennar.com.
Well, Tim, Shelly, thanks so much for being here with me today. And if you are looking for an active adult community that you can go under contract right now, give them a call right here at Hickory Bluffs by LENNAR.